sonic stride, a focused glare. There's a sudden hum in the southern air. You hit the deck with a thunderous sound, sending timber flying, scattered on the ground. Oh, Emma, you're the lightning in the dark, the pride of Otago, the fire and the spark. With every wicket taken and every winding part, you are the spark that left a mark in the center of my heart. In the center of in the center of But it's more than the pace, it's the way you move.